Hi Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So not all of you can resonate. If this reading is not for you, you can watch your moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kasi inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Gemini, maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the messages or the energies for you, Gemini. Closed doors. No good job opportunities. The current job is coming to an end. Start all over again. Okay? May magbubukas na bagong pinto sa inyo. Okay? You will start all over again. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Kung merong nagbukas, nagsara ng pintuan, may mga new doors that will open for you. Bagong opportunities, okay, na mas maganda pa sa current job ninyo ngayon. Okay. Be confident, Gemini. Savings. You always need to put something off for a bad day. Create savings for the future. Kailangan mag-ipon. Okay? Kailangan magtira para sa future or para pang for emergencies. Okay? Do not spend all your money. Save for the future. Star power. Become an influencer of the company and earn fame, popularity. Step into the spotlight. For some of you, you have the ability to create something new, okay, that will make you become popular. You can earn money from there, Gemini. You have the creativity in you. Be bold, express yourself, be creative. May mga bagong or magagandang opportunity na darating sa inyo, Gemini. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Maybe you are not doing well in your current job. Okay? But soon you will overcome at meron kayong makukuha na mas maganda or better na opportunity, magandang company, mas mataas na sahod, mas magandang benefits or compensation. Okay, Gemini? Do not worry. Be confident, be creative. Let us see kung ano yung messages sa inyo from the tarot. Gemini, please. Messages for Gemini. Gemini. Meron kayong mga pinag-iisipan, may kailangan kayo i-express or i-communicate, may ina-analyze kayo na sitwasyon. Kailan pa uunlad or kailan ako magkaroon na maganda or mataas na pera or kailan magandang opportunity na darating sa akin. Okay, yan yung mga sinasabi ninyo, Gemini, sa sarili. Okay. Kailan kayo magkaroon ng magandang opportunity? Opportunity to save, to earn more. Okay, opportunity to increase your money, your wealth, to improve your financial status. You need to spend wisely, okay, and save. Stay away from unnecessary or hold yourself from unnecessary expense, okay? Nagwo-worry kayo, Gemini, of your situation. You have to overcome your worries and stand up for yourself. Be bold. Be a leader. Okay? Kailangan ninyo pagplanuhin yung future. You have to take action and do not worry, Gemini. Okay? For some of you, you are not confident enough with your position. You have to come up with a creative solution sa inyong mga problema, okay? Sa inyong mga wino-worry or sa inyong mga iniisip. You don't feel confident, Gemini. Kailangan ninyo magtiwala sa sarili. Love yourself. Believe in yourself, Gemini. Yeah. A support will come to you. Maybe you are dealing with a fire sign, Leo, Aries, okay? May matatanggap kayo ng mga information or messages, maybe from your hometown or from your province, okay? Related or communication from your family. Okay. Kailangan nyo magkaroon ng lakas ng loob. Kailangan yung if you have this kung merong nagko-communicate sa inyo to have a good relationship with you or nag-apologize, you need to forgive. You need to release some harsh judgment. Okay? You have to understand the situation. This is something that you don't want to see, okay? A situation na ayaw mong ma-involve. But then again, kailangan ninyong malaman, kailangan i-relay sa inyo ang information. You have to accept it and release the judgment or negativities about the situation, okay? Maybe for some of you may kailangan pagdesisyonan about a home, okay? About a property or bahay. Kailangan pag-usapan with your family members. And ikaw lang yung may kakayahan to give a solution on that problem, okay? There are some delays na mangyayari. Things are not working out according sa plano ninyo. May delay sa financial, okay? May insufficiency. You have to strategize. You have to make money. Look for some solutions, a creative solution or way. Okay? To expand or to grow your money. May kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan. matalinong pag-iisip or matalinong desisyon. Yeah. Nahihirapan kayo or mahihirapan kayo, Gemini, pero hindi kayo nawawalan ng pag-asa. You will be able to overcome it. Maybe for some of you, kailangan ng tulong or kailangan lumapit sa isang taong mas may kakayahan na tulungan ka, okay? Maybe for some of you, ang dami nyo ng obligations financially and nahihirapan na kayo. But still, you need to stand up for yourself. You need to stand up for those people na nagmamahal sa inyo or tinutulungan ninyo. Okay? Gemini. Merong younger person. Okay, parang tinatalikuran kayo or hindi sumusunod according sa gusto ninyo. Okay. And he or she, that younger person, is looking for another person that can help them financially or that can provide them. Okay. And this is something na nahihirapan kayo emotionally and napapagod na kayo sa ganyang situation. Okay? But you will have the strength. Meron kayong kakayahan to overcome it. Just forgive, release, judgment, Gemini. Okay? Let us see. King of Cups. Love, love, love. Okay? Be understanding. Be kind. Kailangan ng inyong malawak na pag-unawa sa sitwasyon. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages. Let's get 3 cards from the number card. For Gemini, please. Gemini. 99. If you are seeing this number 99 or a repetitive number, it is saying to you it is time to get to work on the realization of your soul's mission in life. You have a higher purpose in this life that is yours and only yours to fulfill. Unleash your true power. Okay. 27. Your mind is wide open and you are tolerant and compassionate toward all ways of life. You value freedom of expression and want to improve the conditions of people, whether in your community, country, or the world at large. I am expressive. Number 16. You have an inquisitive mind that allows you to uncover important truths. You have a special ability to read into other people's feelings. Wisdom seeker, and your angel ask to share your knowledge for the benefit of others. I am perceptive. Okay, if you keep on seeing this number 99, 27, and 16, these are the messages for you, Gemini. Forgive. Okay, embrace change. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Okay. So that's it. Ito lang yung mga messages for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!